Has this ever happened to you? My indoor arrows have been performing really well and I can't recommend them enough. However, this one arrow started making this rattling sound. That's because I'm using Eastern adjustable points where to get to 120 grains I need to add this screwable insert. I was using the blue thread locker stick, but this arrow obviously didn't get enough. I am used to using the thread locker goop that comes in this tiny little bottle. This tube is empty, and when I went to order more, I misread the description and ended up with this monstrosity. I guess I won't be needing any more thread locker goop ever again. To access the insert, just reheat the point, avoiding the arrow directly. The insert is secured with an Allen wrench, and it's obviously loose. Making sure to add plenty of thread locking goop this time, and reinstalling it finger tight. Applying more hot melt, more than I think I need. Yields some squeeze out, but that's okay. This arrow's ready, and I'm ready for the next shoot.